Greetings, and welcome to another informative video where we unravel the complex world of social media. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more helpful content. Now, let's get started. Today, we're talking about a common dilemma faced by many: how to recover a Facebook page. Maybe you've lost access due to forgotten login details, or perhaps your page was hacked. Whatever the reason, regaining control is crucial. The good news is, recovery is entirely possible, and we're going to walk you through it. First off, navigate to the Facebook login page. Enter your email address or phone number, along with your password, then click Login. If you can't remember your password, click on Forgotten Password, and follow the prompts to reset it. Once you're logged in, click on the downward arrow at the top right of your Facebook homepage, then select Manage Pages. You'll now see a list of all the pages you manage. If your page isn't listed, it's likely you've lost access to it. Here's the crucial part. Navigate to Settings at the top right of the page, then click on Your Facebook Information. From here, select Deactivation and Deletion. You'll see an option to Recover Page. Click on this. Facebook will then guide you through a series of verification steps to confirm your identity and regain access. Remember, Facebook takes its users' security seriously. You'll need to provide proof that you're the legitimate owner of the page. This could be in the form of emails, invoices, or legal documents. Once you've submitted the required documents, you'll need to wait for Facebook to review and approve your request. Once approved, you'll regain full access to your page. You can then reset your password, update your security settings, and continue managing your page as before. To recap, the process involves logging into Facebook, navigating to Manage Pages, going into Settings, selecting your Facebook information, then Deactivation and Deletion, and finally Recover Page. You'll then need to verify your identity and wait for approval. If this process seems daunting or you're not comfortable handling it yourself, professional assistance is available. Check the video description or pinned comments for more details. So that's all there is to it. With a little patience and the right information, you can recover your Facebook page and regain control. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep exploring.